3, 2, 1.
Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make Spider-Man web shooter from his new movie Spider-Man Brand New Day. Well, it's his fourth movie which was released in July 26th, and this year this movie was released. And one thing I noticed in that movie that was actually about his web shooters. Well, his web shooters change up after the No Way Home event, and you must have noticed that thing in the movie that his new web shooter more likely looks like his old web shooters, uh, which were actually made by him in the Homecoming movie. So yes, it looks like this. As you can see, it has cartridges and it has its nozzle, and you can see in this video that it can also work. So in the video I'm going to show you the working process of this mechanism. So basically it has this kind of bullet thing. So it actually works like this. So it is actually very easy to build this web shooter at home. So let us start the video already.
First light coming through the blinds, half asleep. Your body next to mine, cold coffee. Sitting by the bed, slow mornings. Messing with my head, don't let go now. Mornings getting closer, cars outside move faster. Everybody's up now, sunlight on the ceiling, shadows on your skin now. I can feel the whole world starting up again now. Wake up, sky's turning cold and blue. I still wanna stay with you. Wake up, morning's coming way too soon. Nothing else we really have to do. Wake up, sky's turning cold and blue. Hold on, I still wanna stay with you. Wake up, morning's coming way too soon. Hold on, nothing else we really have to do. Wake up, stay with you. Nothing else to do. Wake up, stay with you. Nothing else to do. Phone light glowing in the dark. Soft rain running past the cars. Your heartbeat slow against my chest. No leaving, not quite ready yet. Don't let go now. Morning's getting closer. Cars outside move faster. Everybody's up now. Sunlight on the ceiling, shadows on your skin now. I can feel the whole world starting up again now. Wake up, sky's turning cold and blue. I still wanna stay with you. Wake up, morning's coming way too soon. Nothing else we really have to do. Wake up, sky's turning cold and blue. Hold on,
दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे गाइस। होप आपको आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। तो अगर आपको आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा, इस वीडियो को साथ साथ सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा मेरे चैनल को, बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा ताकि आपको मेरे सारे वीडियोस में नोटिफिकेशन मिले सबसे पहले। और मैं जानता हूँ कि मैं काफ़ी जल्दी इंग्लिश से हिंदी पे आ चुका हूँ। सो वेल होप आपको आज की ये वेब शूट ट्यूटोरियल वाली वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा कैसी लगी, और मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे ज़रूर फॉलो कीजिएगा गाइस। जो लोग मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे ये फॉलो किए हुए मेरे में कांटेक्ट में है इंस्टाग्राम पे, उन लोगों को पता है कि मैंने ये इस वेब शूटर से रिलेटेड कंटेंट इंस्टाग्राम पे डाला हुआ है, और इसी तरह के मैं बहुत सारे कंटेंट यूट्यूब के पहले इंस्टाग्राम पे भी पोस्ट करता हूँ। तो उन सब कुछ देखने के लिए आप मेरे को इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर सकते हैं, लिंक मेरे यूट्यूब बायो में है। एंड दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे गाइस। होप आपको आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, सी यू लेटर।